Hi YouTube, this is Minnie. I'm making a video of how I make my buffalo chicken dip. I love this stuff. Well, I first tasted this at a job function and I just fell in love with it. So the way I make mine, I use rotisserie chicken. So I've already taken all of the meat off of the rotisserie chicken and I'm pouring it in here. And I make mine in the crock pot because this is just easy for me to do it in the crock pot. So what I do is I add the chicken, and this is the Philadelphia original cream cheese, so that's what I'm adding. And it has softened a little bit because I've had it sitting out while I was trying to pull all the chicken off of the bone. And then what I do is add my ranch dressing, and I just put a cup of it in here. And I put a cup of it in here. I love Texas Pete. So after I have put everything in, what I like to do is go ahead and put my crock pot on. And I put it on warm. Okay guys, I'm back and my buffalo chicken dip is pretty much done. Since I use rotisserie chicken, it's already done. You're just kind of warming everything up and allowing the cheese to melt. Just stir it up. And what I like to use is celery. Because this is so cheesy and it has a lot of salt, like a high salt content, if I'm eating a couple things and one thing is really salty, I'll just make sure something else has enough of a water content that it gives me a good balance. So I like to always, instead of using chips like a lot of people do, I always like to use celery. I have this. And then I have some celery that I'm gonna eat too. And this is it. Oh, it's so good.